Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to delete all unread emails in Gmail. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in with your account. In the search bar at the top is Unread. This will filter your inbox to show only unread emails. Next, click the checkbox at the top left and select all visible emails. A message will appear allowing you to select all conversations that match the search. Click this option to select all unread emails. After selecting all unread emails, click on the trash icon to delete them. Confirm the deletion. If prompted, the emails will be moved to the trash folder. They will be permanently deleted after 30 days unless you empty the trash. If you want to delete unread emails from specific labels only, use search operators like label inbox is unread or adjust the filter accordingly. And that's it. We just learned how to delete all unread emails in Gmail using search filters and bulk delete. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial videos.